Hey everyone. If you're tired of Windows Update and apps using your internet without permission, in this video, I'm going to show you a super simple and free tool that gives you full control over your PC's internet. In this tutorial, we are using a free and open source tool called SimpleWall. First, download it from the official GitHub page. The link is in the video description below. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the simple installation steps. After installation, open SimpleWall. Before we begin, go to the Settings tab and turn on Load on System Startup. This makes sure SimpleWall runs automatically every time your PC starts. Next, click Enable Filters. This activates SimpleWall and gives it full control. Now every program needs your permission to access the internet. As you can see, Edge and some Windows background apps are already requesting access. This is how SimpleWall works. I'll block all of them except Edge since I need it. So I allow Edge. Now I'll reopen SimpleWall from the system tray icon next to the clock. If you want to give internet access back to any app, simply check the box again. And if you want to block it, just uncheck it. But blocking every single Windows app one by one can be really tiring. That's why in the Block List tab, you can block almost all of Windows with just one click. There are three main options: Windows Applications, Windows Update Microsoft Spying, and Telemetry. You can temporarily block any of them and easily enable them again whenever you want. This is especially useful if you're a gamer or you have limited internet data. Also, if some app doesn't automatically ask for internet access, you can manually add it from the Add App tab. Finally, if you want to disable SimpleWall and go back to the default Windows firewall, just click Disable Filters and make sure to enable the option Enable Windows Firewall. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe.